Ní dólam ggóil bailach níos fearr chun Lá Idirnáisiúnta na Síochana 2012 a cheiliúradh, ná muintir Bhóthar na bhFál agus muintir na seanchluichí a thabhairt le chéile le haghaidh ceol, crack agus córdas. Agus sin go dtíreach a tharla an seo ag Féile Townsend.
Fáilte ráim se freisin goidí féile rád Townsend an seo I mbeil feiste Lá Idirnáisiúnta na Síochana. Fan go bheith tú na chialta se an seo henhuit.
We're here as part of the World Peace Day celebrations in Townsend Street at the bottom of the Falls Road. We have a piece of theatre which is about a very significant occupant in this area in Townsend Street. His name was Robert Shipboy McAdam, and he had a very successful foundry business on this site, in fact next door to this church, and he was a very prosperous Victorian gentleman. He was also a Free Presbyterian, and he was an eminent Irish language scholar.
Bishop Dorian's house was attacked in Howard Street. In retaliation, the Reverend Cook's church in May Street is attacked. 400 Catholic navvies will be brought in.
Bhí Meán Fómhair Beidir an gá phobal a tharint le chéile ní raibh mór an siméige sa fáilte, bhí an siméige sa teanga, san airsiacht agus na lámhscríbhnaí a bhaile agus bhí sé gcónaí Beidir I géirí an géalga a cathu in charthúchas. Agus bhí me sé géirí drama scríb faoi a héal le fada agus a dearach chur piece of the chéile.
There we fired our pistols and heaps of stones we flung. Scarcely paused from ruin. They saw the gallant foe.
Bhí mé géirí kind of an loch gan géalga a bhailú hégan géalga agus so sin an fág go bhfuil go just mód an drama a merle agus tá lucht fégan a ábalta a hiiscint.
Tá sé táhachtach duine sa Cultarland mar gomuid géirí an géalga curthain cin ag gach duine agus tá sé táhachtach a gginalta mar go bhfuil lán trobléidir tasach ar na mala agus cabbíród sú Sean Chille a doin bud mar seo dhéanamh ar sráide atá go ddíreach an áit bhfuil an bhála Síochana.
Tá sé táhachtach just cinneal star an cantar a heisprints ó gatíh den pobl agus gach duine teach le chéile agus sinning táhachtach do Cultarland na ceiliúradh Robert McAdam agus na Billy na daine.
Tell me ma when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Put my hair, sew my comb, but that's all right till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she?
I'm here to celebrate the festival that is happening between Culturland and the Shankill Women's Centre in Townsend Street today. Felt great, but I'm used to singing in public because I'm in a church choir, but I think the other girls really came together. We've made good friendships because we're both from different sides of the community, so we've made really good friendships and we're going to carry on the choir if it's possible.
Annie Murray says she'll die if she doesn't get the bell with the rope in hand.
Ní raibh sé deacair daoine ail a bhailú le chéile mar gur rinnearna siad ceirlanna le chéile le mianta fada suas go dtí seo, so tána land na daoine tan seo bhí siad gobar le chéile ag Johnny rangan na Aoine rangan na ceol an cór tá feiceáil go sin bhí siad ag Johnny rangan na ceol is cabbíród, so súla go fásaí sé.
Bhí an lá ar agus is cínse gur éirigh go híntach le muintir na seanchluichí agus muintir Bhóthar na bhFál inniu.